basically this, I'm going to say groundhog just because I can't think of... Prairie dog. There you go. Prairie dog. So the prairie dog has its whole little set of prairie dog kin that are all around it. And they're out in the savannas in Africa, and they are running around collecting food. But if a hawk comes by, then the eldest female will stand up and scream to all of the prairie dogs that are around it, and they'll all crawl into the holes. And she may draw so much attention to herself that she's the one that gets eaten by the hawk. And then whoever is the next eldest maternal female is going to go on to be the one that signals out to the rest of the kin whenever there is danger that is lurking. And so we may think of this as something that is really complex, and we may say like, oh, she's so brave, she's so kind, because we put these human attributes to animals where these things may be something that is built into them. Cooperation, selfishness, altruism, being kind to others may be understood by our evolutionary past. So in explaining kindness, we think about, does unconditional love exist in the animal kingdom? Altruistic behaviors, or working together, working with others, some of these behaviors may come at a cost to an individual doing the behavior that benefits the recipient. So it may hurt the individual that this happens to, but it helps the entire clan, or the entire kin, or the entire extended family. So here is a good example, and this is kind of gross. This mother spider hatches like 50 babies on her back, and then immediately the babies start sucking her blood. And this mother spider actually becomes liquefied inside as these little baby spiders suck all of her juices out of her until they finally eat her alive. She's dead. They have eaten her completely. But she's got 50 living babies who had enough food through her body that they're able to go on to survive, to pass their genes along to their offspring. So by making this this ultimate gift to your children, where you become their first meal, this is helping her offspring to be able to survive and pass along their genes to their offspring. And so Darwin predicted this in natural selection. He said that natural selection would generally work to produce selfish behavior, so taking care of your own first, and then your extended family, and then not wanting to take care of strangers. And he said altruistic appearing behavior is common, but it was not fatal to his theory of natural selection. So what he found was that kindness towards close relatives, or ones that share the most genes with you, is basically picking your kin to put most of your resources into. And then kindness towards unrelated individuals is called reciprocal altruism, helping out another not related species in order to hope that in the future they will help you out. So basically, I'll scratch your back if you'll scratch mine. We see this happen a lot in nature with things like if you've ever seen the buffalo that has the little birds that hang out on the back, and it picks the bugs out of the buffalo's skin. And so the buffalo gets nice clean skin, and he protects those birds that are on his back. And the birds clean off his skin, and they get a nice tasty snack. So they're working together symbiotically. So behavior is not necessarily always as it appears. Many behaviors appear to be altruistic, where they think, oh, this is helping another organism, but in almost every case, they are not acts of altruism. They are a consequence of either picking your family first or picking someone that can help you. And if you think about our experience as humans, that's really what we do. We pick our family first, or we pick the people that can help us the most. We'll help them out, and they help us out. And so I think that that really does help to explain behaviors. So these behaviors are beneficial to the individual engaging in that behavior. And there we go. So if this did not work out for anybody, if they are unhappy with this, being in this room, I'll try and get some more tables and some more comfortable chairs between now and next Tuesday. If anybody has a problem, please email me and let me know, and then I will tell you if we go back to the other room. But let's plan. As of right now, we'll plan for next Tuesday to be in here, okay? Is everybody cool with that?
Yes. Thank you.
Awesome.